Hi, I'm Kerry.
And I'm Ron.
And we're the Mobergs. We have been RVers for the past 30 years and we love it.
I think we started RVing when we had a really bad camping trip. And then we started small. First time RVers make trips locally. Start off with easy camping adventures and learn before you go big.
We have 4 kids, and so we needed something that had a lot of beds. After they left the house, then we needed someplace for the grands.
And that's Harvey and Cecilia.
Another tip is to make 2 lists. A list of things that you brought out of your house, so you put them back, and then make a list of things that you wish you would have brought.
Every RVer needs an extra hose, extra sewer line, and tools, because you never know if you need an extra length to reach the sewer or to reach the hose. It's come up many times.
One thing that we find really important to have is an electric frying pan, because those smells stay in your RV for a very long time.
How's the bacon coming? That smells really good.
So what should we do today?
Maybe go on a motorcycle ride?
Oh, that'd be fun. You're so fun.
I know. Every RVer should buy a camping mat because it keeps your RV clean.
Check your mattress, test it out, and if you're not happy with it, exchange it because you want to sleep well.
Shop at local seafood markets.
Because you never know, we might not catch anything.
Hey honey, look what I caught.
What are
A triggerfish.
Oh, look at that. That looks fabulous. Another tip would be to have contact cards, because you never know who you're going to meet and you might want to continue to have a relationship with those folks.
Cheers.
Well, this is quite an adventure.
It's been quite the trip. When you socialize with people, you always end up talking about where they've been and where it's good places to go, and sometimes we end up going with their suggestions.
Leaving a campsite is bittersweet, but there's always another adventure down the road.
More people to meet, more things to do.
That's right. We've really enjoyed it here. This is a beautiful area.